Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save Adobe Express as PDF. It's quite simple to save your Adobe Express design as a PDF. To do that, open up your Adobe Express application from your app drawer. Once you get to the main home page of Adobe Express, go ahead and open up your design that you want to download as PDF. Here I'm just going to open up an existing project. You can create a new project, and after you are done with your project and you are ready to save or download, go ahead and click on the little arrow facing downwards at the top right, which is also known as the download button. Now from the file format drop down, click on PDF. Once you go ahead and select PDF, you can include bleed and crop mark for easier trimming after printing. Check on either of the boxes that you want and finally click on the download button in order to download your PDF file. So that is how you can easily save your Adobe Express design as a PDF. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.